students, today I'm going to tell you how can you record your meetings through Zoom, because it will make your videos smaller in size. So how can you do that? And it will you will get recorded videos in lesser size in KB or maybe in MB. So how can you do that? Let me tell you. For example, you have to open your Zoom and you have to go into the new meeting. When you open it, so you keep it in mind your internet should be connected, because my internet is connected right now, because I have connected on the 4G. So what I have to do, I have to go into the share screen section. Whatever you want to share, or whatever the for example, if you want to share Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word, whatever you want to show, so you should go into the share screen. If you want to share whiteboard, so you can do it. So right now I am going into the Trust PowerPoint. You can see here that MS Team is also there. So I will open this, and if you want to open your Trust, so you can desktop, so you can open it. So let me open it, and I will open this screen. And then what I have to do, for example, first I have to go into the record section, and I will click on the record, and it will ask me to whether unmute myself or not. So for example, I'm doing unmute, and then what I have to do, I have to click on hide floating meeting controls, and then what I have to do, I have to select slideshow here. When I select slideshow, so from where I have to go for the from beginning. So I will open this PowerPoint presentation like this. So this will be my PowerPoint presentation will be recorded if I want to do it. So I will click on it, and things will come here. So this is the way to open it, and if you want to present it in front of the audience, so you can do it. Let me escape it, and how can I escape it? I escape it, and now my meeting is recorded, whatever I speak over here. So then I have to go for the stop recording. And when I stop recording, so what I have to do, I have to end meeting. When I end meeting, so end meeting for all, so my Zoom meeting will ended, and convert meeting recording. So now it is converting. So the size is very small, so it will take lesser time. So what will happen, and you can see this is 98% right now. And now I am going to open this folder. So this folder will just after conversion, you this open, and you can see here. Then I will click on this Zoom, so you can see my meeting is recorded over here. So you can hear that what I am speaking to explain you. So it is recorded over here. So what I have to do, I have to cross it, and let me rename it whatever I want to. And the size of the file, you can see here, it is 824 KB, and I can move it, and I can upload it anywhere I want to. And it is recorded as Zoom 0. If I want to rename it, so I can rename it from here. So this is the way you can record your meetings on Zoom. So I think it will be helpful for you guys to record your meeting. So I have connected from my mobile, and I'm making recording it. And you can also record this meeting through Google Meet and others methods also. So hopefully you will understand it, and you can do it yourself. Take care. Bye bye.